Detecting component placement issues, collision between any elements on your board, or even just visualizing form and fit in 3D can help spare time-consuming and costly iterations. OrCAD X makes finding and resolving those issues simple. As seen here, you can easily define and enable your 3D clearance rules within the Constraint Manager. The Properties panel will show you if your design has any 3D DRCs. Diving deeper into the pie chart displays the types of 3D DRCs within your design, and clicking on an error within the Search panel brings you right to the issue on the canvas, where you can easily fix it in both 2D and 3D. When working with rigid flex designs, it's important to define your flex and bend zones to ensure you're not placing components or routing across imaginary space. By selecting the design outline, the Properties panel displays if you've created any zones or bends. Clicking on the Bend hyperlink populates different bends available within the Search panel. Bend lines are usually locked once they've been defined, but you can easily make any modifications by unlocking it and adjusting the values. Once you've defined your bends in 2D, you can instantaneously switch to 3D and see your rigid flex design in action. Easily bend any or all of your flex regions using the percentage slider or enter in a specific angle. From the Components tab, it's easy to control the transparency and visibility of your models and enclosures so you can focus on specific areas of interest during design reviews. You can even import mechanical files in various file formats and easily align them with any other 3D element. Simply adjust the 3D location of the mechanical model so that it's properly positioned in relation to your board. Then, select a facet on the mechanical model and a facet on the board to snap the two together. The interactive 3D canvas within OrCAD X helps you visualize your end product as you design, so you can identify and fix any issues to ensure design integrity right from the start.